Introduction. Welcome to Bike Informers, your trusted destination for everything two-wheeled. From modern superbikes to classic rides that redefine simplicity. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most fun, rugged, and nostalgic small bikes on the planet. The 2026 Coleman CT200U, a mini bike that blends classic looks, off-road capability, and raw simplicity with modern reliability. This machine may be small in size, but it's huge in personality. Let's explore what makes the 2026 CT200U stand out as one of the best mini bikes of the modern era. A legacy of simplicity. The Coleman CT200U is not just another small bike. It's a symbol of backyard adventures, trail rides, and good old-fashioned fun. Coleman has been building mini bikes for decades, and the CT200U has long been the benchmark for tough, simple, go-anywhere fun. In 2026, Coleman brings back this iconic model with key updates to performance, build quality, and design, all while staying true to its roots. The new CT200U still celebrates the old-school formula: a steel tube frame, knobby tires, and a bulletproof engine that refuses to quit. Design and build quality. At first glance, the 2026 Coleman CT200U looks rugged, old-school, and ready to hit the trail. It features a reinforced steel frame designed to handle the bumps and bruises of trail riding. The bike's proportions are compact yet muscular, giving it a purposeful stance that invites you to just hop on and ride. The fenders, handlebar, and chain guard have been redesigned with a more modern matte powder-coated finish to resist rust and scratches. Coleman has kept the classic red and black color schemes but introduced new limited editions in army green and desert sand, appealing to off-road enthusiasts and collectors alike. The seating remains a wide, cushioned vinyl bench, large enough for comfortable solo rides or a quick cruise with a lightweight passenger. Despite its mini bike tag, the CT200U feels surprisingly solid and stable under you. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 CT200U is a 196 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke OHV engine, air-cooled for reliability and low maintenance. While it's not built for speed, its 6.5 horsepower output delivers impressive torque that's perfect for hill climbs, muddy trails, or backyard fun. Coleman has fine-tuned the carburetor and exhaust to improve throttle response and fuel efficiency, giving riders a smoother and more controlled power delivery. The automatic centrifugal clutch ensures that beginners can simply twist the throttle and go, while seasoned riders will appreciate the raw mechanical feedback that makes this bike so engaging. Its top speed hovers around 24 miles per hour, 38 kilometers per hour, but what truly matters is how confidently it gets there. The torque-rich engine ensures strong low-end pull, ideal for rugged terrain or farm work. Transmission and drive. Like its predecessors, the 2026 model features a chain-driven, automatic transmission. The centrifugal clutch eliminates the need for manual shifting, allowing for effortless operation. Coleman's engineers have improved the clutch durability this year, using higher-grade materials and better cooling, making it more resistant to wear under heavy load. This ensures smoother engagement and extended life, especially when the bike is frequently used on dusty or muddy trails. Suspension and comfort. One of the key upgrades for 2026 is the new suspension setup. The front fork now features 30mm telescopic shocks with increased travel, while the rear gets dual coilover shocks tuned for off-road flexibility. This results in better damping over uneven ground, reducing the rough, bouncy ride that older CT200U models were known for. Combined with wide tires and a low center of gravity, the CT200U handles uneven terrain surprisingly well. It's not a motocross bike by any means, but for light trails, dirt tracks, and countryside roads, it feels planted, stable, and fun. Wheels, tires, and braking. The CT200U rides on 145/70-6 off-road tires, knobby, thick, and made to grip loose surfaces like dirt, gravel, and grass. These tires not only provide excellent traction but also add to the rugged, mini-scrambler aesthetic. Braking power comes from mechanical disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, a major improvement over older drum-style setups. The discs offer consistent stopping performance even in wet or muddy conditions, and maintenance is easy thanks to the simplified cable-actuated design, ergonomics, and control. Despite its small frame, the Coleman CT200U is comfortable for riders of different sizes. The wide handlebar provides excellent leverage for quick turns, while the upright seating posture ensures you remain balanced and in control. The 2026 version introduces rubber-mounted handlebars to reduce vibration, a small but welcome improvement that makes longer rides more comfortable. The throttle and brake levers have been re-engineered for smoother feel, and the foot. Fuel capacity and efficiency. Fuel economy has always been one of the CT200U's strongest points. The 0.95-gallon steel fuel tank may seem small, but with the engine's efficient design, you can expect up to 3 hours of continuous riding on a single tank. In 2026, the tank gets a new quick lock cap and an integrated fuel gauge, a first for this model, eliminating the need to guess your remaining fuel. For casual rides or property work, this mini bike proves incredibly cost-effective and reliable. Weight and dimensions. The 2026 Coleman CT200U weighs approximately 135 pounds, 61 kilograms, making it easy to transport in the back of a pickup truck or trailer. Its compact size, just 58 inches in length and 26 inches in width, allows it to fit through tight spaces, making it ideal for camping trips, trails, or ranch use. The low seat height of 26 inches makes it accessible for teens, adults, and smaller riders alike. Despite its size, the bike feels solid and planted, with a weight distribution that keeps the front wheel grounded even on steep inclines. Durability and reliability. Coleman has always focused on simplicity and strength, and the 2026 model reinforces that philosophy. The engine, though simple, is extremely tough. It can handle dirt, dust, heat, and rough handling with minimal maintenance. The frame is welded with reinforced joints, designed to absorb shocks from rocky trails without bending or cracking. Even the chain guard, throttle cable, and grips have been improved for 2026, showcasing Coleman's attention to longevity and real-world usability. This is a bike you can hand down through generations, easy to repair, easy to ride, and nearly impossible to kill. Modern touches. While the CT200U remains gloriously old school, Coleman has sprinkled in a few modern touches for convenience. There's now an LED headlight for better night visibility, and the wiring harness is waterproof to handle all-weather riding. An optional USB charging port and a digital hour meter are also available for those who want to track maintenance intervals. These subtle updates keep the CT200U relevant without compromising its vintage charm. Riding experience. Riding the 2026 Coleman CT200U is pure joy. From the moment you start it up with its easy pull-start mechanism, you feel the mechanical heartbeat of a classic machine. The exhaust note is deep and throaty, a signature of Coleman's small engines, giving it a sense of power far beyond its displacement. On the trail, the bike feels nimble and forgiving. The torque-rich engine allows you to climb small hills effortlessly, while the light weight lets you maneuver around obstacles with confidence. Every bump, twist, and turn delivers that nostalgic mini-bike thrill, a reminder of simpler times when riding was all about fun. Maintenance and parts availability. One of the biggest advantages of owning a CT200U is its ease of maintenance. The engine design is simple enough for beginners to service, and